My people, ndị Igbo. Eji m aha Chineke na-ayọ gị sị gị dododo kiri ife onyonyo till the end. One of your favorite pastor bụ onye na-ekwu okwu ebe a. Biko nwanne m gere ife your pastor na-agwa gị. But before ị gee ya, ka m kọwalụ gị something. Over the last 2 weeks, ka m melụ 2 videos wee kọwalụ gị bụ nwanne m onye Igbo. Ife mmụọ na-edu ngwara m ozi mmụọ si m zie gị ife m discoverlụ m wee bịa in this my page wee zie gị ozi a ugboro abụọ different days and different time. Many of you akpọ m iyi exactly ife m gwalụ gị 2 weeks ago ka your pastor na-agbazi gị ebe anụnwa now. I have been vindicated again and again and again. Ozi nziri gị wee bụlụ na mmụọ si m zie gị 60% of our men today n'ime ana Igbo na-akpọ ntu, both the married and the unmarried. Over 60% of our women today n'ime ana Igbo, both married and unmarried, na-arụ aka. One lady onye Igbo melụ video live. In that video, this lady wee na-ekwu sị na nya bụ a marriage counselor. O wee na-agwa ndị Igbo si ndị Igbo na majority of Igbo married women na-arụ aka. Ọgwụ m nwoke si nwaanyị anwa na-abịa n'ụlọ gị nwunye gị si gị n'ọya nwaanyị, ọ nwaanyị anwa nwunye gị na-aga na nke ya every time si gị n'ọya nwaanyị, ọ si gị ngị wash ya ngị check ya. Na majority of those women anwa na-achọ nwunye gị abịa ọ nwunye gị na-achọ aga na be ya, na majority of them bụ aka kafa na-arụ na-efere kafa na-asa. A marriage counselor na-ekwu ife a in this Facebook live na-akirizie ife this pastor warning. This pastor na warn gị onye Igbo ka ị wee chọpụta oziọma na ezi unu.
My people, things are happening. Things are going on in so many homes, several homes. Things are happening among our children, that only few persons know. This is a call to wake up. Parents, please, I beg you to wake up. Sexual activity, sexual immorality happening among children. I will not call the names of the churches where these things happen. I will not call any family name, but I'm just going to share a part of the story. Sexual immorality, abuse, sexual harassment in the lives of children, sexual molestation. Oh my, many children are suffering. They are abusing girls. Brothers are sleeping with their sisters. Fathers are sleeping with their daughters. And uncles are molesting their relations. Many stories. Let us wake up. They don't know who to talk to. Many parents are not available to listen to their children. Many fathers and mothers are not available from one business place to another. Many ministers, even ministers, they are not available for their children. 9 years, 7 years, 4 years, they are having sexual activities. 12 years, 11 years are being involved in sexual immorality. A girl walked up to me and said, "Sir, I have been having sex with the 4-year-old boy." A girl said, that girl should not be more than 11 years, 12 years. She said she has been having sex with the 4. The girl has taught the boy on how to have sex. And the boy is now addicted. It is now the boy that will go and draw her clothes and say, "Come, let us do that." Another girl, 9 years old girl, 4 boys are already messing her up. 4 boys. One of the boys is a secondary school boy. Please, parents, call your children and talk to them. Teach them things. Let them know what is happening now. Ask them questions. Who is touching them? Tell them where nobody must touch. Tell them what they should do. That no matter the threatening, they should speak out. Pastors, create a day where children come to tell you what is happening in their families. Ask them questions. My experiences in the schools as I travel to minister to young people and children, as I travel from place to place, things are happening. A girl walked up to me and said she's tired of fornication. I looked at her, very small girl. I said, you are tired of fornication already. How old are you? She said 12 years. Kai. I said 12 years and you are already tired of fornication. I said, she pointed at one boy. I said, my son, come. The boy came. I said, is it true that two of you are having fornication? The boy said, Daddy, help us. We are tired of this fornication. The word you preached in this program is disturbing us. We need help. I said, for how long have you been doing it? I asked the boy, I said, how old are you? The boy said 14 years old. I said, for how long have you been doing it? They said for 2 years now. They have been. So the girl started having sexual intercourse at the age of 10. When the boy started having sexual intercourse at the age of 12. I asked the girl, I said, what is the name of your mother? The girl mentioned a woman I know very well. The thing shocked me. I wanted to start crying. I asked the boy, I said, what about you? Who is your own mother? The boy said, Daddy, we are the same mother, the same father. I nearly fainted. So the same mother, the same father, and they are having sex with themselves. And they are already tired of having sex. Under their parents' nose. These things have been happening, but they don't know.
Gini butalifani Christianity. Christianity is the reason for all this. This is why many of us say, let's go back to our roots. Oge eziokwu bụ eziokwu. Biri ka mbiri, nwa mmụọ emegbuna nwa mmadụ emegbuna nwa mmụọ. Let's go back to those days. Because Christianity destroy Ghana Igbo. Anyị Igbo turn to go into Sodom and Gomorrah. Ebe alụ karịrị alụ nọ. Ebe ife ọjọọ karịrị ife ọjọọ nọ. 95% of Igbo Christians, Igbo youth, are all sinners. Only 5% of ndị Igbo bụ ndị akafa dị ọcha. 95 emerụ Ghana. Christianity, Jesus and church, Baalụ mere Igbo.